Okay, so I want to install the Moft on my Galaxy S22 Ultra. It seems to fit. Well, let's go ahead. Oh, we need to glue it. I don't really want to glue it. I wish it would be magnetic or something. Oh, wait, what? Oh, that one is magnetic, but yeah, it's for an iPhone, for Magsafe, and my phone sadly doesn't have anything like Magsafe or something. Oh, okay, maybe we can try. I'm not sure if it's strong and if it will actually work, but this is a Samsung Galaxy S22 sort of TPU case which has Magsafe on it. We should remove some sort of like nylon here and all, but other than that, yes, that's it. It just should work as a normal Magsafe case. I'm not sure where you peel this nylon from. I know that you are supposed to peel some nylon, and I can see it, but I wish... Oh, here it goes. Yeah, that seems like better. And I'm pretty sure we have one here as well. It's really messy. No, here it is. Oh, now it looks fair enough. Yeah. So yeah, you don't need to remove it both outside and inside. And I think, yeah, we have some here in the middle. Okay, yeah, here it goes. Yeah. Okay, I think now we are sort of good to go. So let's put it on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I hope it won't do any damage for the screen protector. Yeah, that seems kind of nice. Now, this is not the case that will protect from everything, though. It seems good here, and yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's nothing bad, but nothing too good. You have sort of a place here to put something on the wood, probably. You have your cutouts. Actually, it looks pretty okay. Not too bad. Anyways, let's go ahead and grab our Moft X Magsafe edition and see if that can work with that case and how good is it, because I don't know. And we have that. That works like that. Kind of awesome. Let's do this. Okay, so it holds. Whoa, actually it holds kind of nice, but not exactly in place. I mean, you can't just, yeah, you can pretty much snap it or something. And sadly, if you can see here, the camera, yeah, that won't be very good, sadly. Can we actually wirelessly charge with it? Not really sure, to be honest. Okay, so currently I'm trying with the Moft X. Pretty sure it won't work, but let's see. Yeah, it doesn't charge. Yeah, it will not charge with the Moft X. It's too much magnet for it. And if we'll do it like that, yeah, it is charging. So, only one thing left to try, and this is the S Pen. And the problem is that since we're trying... Oh yeah, I have that sound. Sorry about that. Okay, so the problem is that with magnets, it shouldn't work everywhere. In some cases, but it seems that with this case, it works without any issues on all the screen. So that's quite nice. Let's try to put this again and see if that will damage anything. Okay, and let's try again. I think there's something is going weird here, but I mean, some lines don't. Yeah, something isn't. Yeah, you can see some places it just doesn't recognize the pen very well. Something isn't right here. In some places, not everywhere. So it's not something drastic, but yeah. Now I want to check if we can use that thing like so. Yeah, it doesn't fall. Can we do it like that? Yeah. It's quite stable. I mean, stable enough for you to watch some movies. Like this. Yeah, also stable. And I'm not really sure if we can sort of... Yeah, we can turn it also Oh wow, that's actually quite a cool stand. Yeah, not bad. You know what? It's not bad at all. Yeah, so I give you the links in the description of this video for both the Moft, the Magsafe edition, and for this case. This case is pretty much simple AliExpress Magsafe case. There are others like that, so you can use them. And maybe in some other videos we can show you how to do this. Okay, no sound, whatever. It's probably because of that, right? Yeah, okay, and yeah, that thing actually blocks the recognition of S pen in or out. That's a weird thing, but yeah, that's how it works.
Thank you for watching this Dinos Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.